The Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would end up getting these for $4, or no, 4 off of 2. You guys would get these for $3 or just $1.50. The L'Oreal Elvive is on sale for 2 for $8. There is a digital coupon for 4 off of 2 plus a 2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys can either use the digital or again there's one in the $2 booklet. But you guys would end up paying just $2. That's $1 a Crest Toothpaste is on sale for $3. Now we do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. It's not popping up on the app for me when I scan the products. But if when you guys use that, you'll pay $4 for 3 of them, but then you get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely free. The Crest Toothpaste is $2.99. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would end up paying $2.98, but then you get 3,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be absolutely free. Now if you want to do that deal, or you guys can do the Colgate deal where it's $4.99, it's one or the other. Again, use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $6.98, but then you get 4,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $2.98 or $1.49. Same school supplies are mostly on sale. They have the Wexford for 49 cents. Markers and crayons, not really anything going on. They have some notebooks, 2 for $5. Some loose leaf paper, 99 cents. Sheet protectors, 79 cents. Dividers, 79 cents. Different dividers, 79 cents. They have these small little notebooks for 49 cents. They have a little tiny little stapler for 99 cents, projector 99 cents, ruler 99 cents. And then they have some index cards for 49 cents and just a couple other things. Nothing really popping out. A lot of the pens are buy one, get one 50% off. Some pens are buy one, get one free, so it just depends on what deal you guys need. And gum is on sale for 2 for $2. We do have a 50-cent off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them $1.50 or just 75 cents. The all laundry detergent is on sale for $2.88. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. It comes out to be just $1.88. The Scott's paper towels, the Scott's toilet paper, and the Kleenex tissues, they're currently $5. We do have a $1 off digital coupon, but the coupon is not popping up in the ad. We also have a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would get these for $2.75, plus you can submit your receipt to the Kellogg's cereal is on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys could use to be $1.49. Then you can submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards and you guys can get points. My app is not popping up the coupon. I don't know what's going on today, but just want to give you guys a heads up with that deal. Dixie cups are $3.99. There are currently buy one, get one free, so you guys will get them for $3.99. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon, so you guys would pay $2.99. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta times 2, so you guys would get these for 99 cents. If I did my math right, 99 cents. That is a great deal. The Complete Home or Nice Brand bags, they're currently actually on sale for $2.79. It's buy one, get 2 free. So these come out to be just 93 cents. Different deal that you guys can do besides the cups is the Dixie Plates. They're $3.99. They're again buy one, get one free. You guys would use a $1 off of 2 coupon, making them $2.99 or $1.50 a piece.